Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an account on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now first let me just log out of my Shopify account just so I can show you guys what the main page looks like, and this is what the login page looks like. And once you're here, what you're going to want to click is start free trial. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. You can sign up with your email, where you need to enter your email as well as create a password, and then you're going to need to verify your account through your email, or you can sign in through other services such as Google, Apple, or Facebook. I'll select Google, and as you can see, it's redirecting me to Google. I'll select this account. I already have an account on it. However, that's just going to create a completely new account, and now you need to select these answers if you want to. It'll help you set up your store quicker, or if you don't, you can just click I don't want help setting up, which I will do in this case. And once that's done, that's going to take me to a new store. Now this is a completely new store. I have about 3 on this account right now. However, none of them are paid for, so it doesn't really matter, but that is pretty much as easy as it gets for making an account. Again, if you make an account with your email and your password, you will need to verify it. Just go to your email address and click the verification link, and that should be it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.